Focusing on time when manifesting is a bad idea. I have seen some people, especially beginners to the law, keep track of the time it is taking for them to manifest. This is very common in the subliminal community, where listeners update their results in comment sections every day. In my opinion, listeners contradict themselves when updating their results every day because they are hearing the subliminal containing affirmations such as, I am 130 pounds, I am slim, I have my desired body, etc. And in the comment section they are telling the whole world things like, Day 1, I lost 4 pounds. Day 2, I am getting closer to my desired body. Day 3, I ate a burger, I gained 5 pounds. Day 4, I think I'll listen to it on loop for hours and see if it keeps going. Doing these things contradicts your own affirmations. Similarly, if you are consciously manifesting your desires and focusing on time, it is going to take longer. It is because you are limiting it from happening. You are putting limitations even when you say to yourself that it will happen after a month. I too might have encountered this in my early days of conscious manifesting, but upon self-introspection, I realized that your higher self, universe, God always makes it happen in the shortest time possible and in the most perfect manner. Your limited self might believe that getting it in the next moment is the shortest time possible, but it does not know what strong beliefs and assumptions you are holding that are opposing the time you have chosen. Just trust that it is going to take place in a beautiful manner and it will happen. Also, I experienced this a long time ago, and I think after hearing this, all your doubts regarding the concept of time might disappear. So, I think you are clear that you don't get what you want, but instead you get what you are. Also, assuming the feeling of wish fulfilled takes you to a place where you already have your desire. This means you already are that you want it to be, and the world is a mirror of your assumptions, so it will display it. But when you are focusing on time, you are just reminding yourself that you don't have that desire, you are just trying to manifest it. And when you are trying and trying, you only get what you have, that is trying to make it happen. Repeat this passage once more, loop it. That is why Abdullah said to Neville Goddard, you are in Barbados, and you went first class. It is because every night, Neville just drowned himself in the state of wish fulfilled, and in the waking hours, if he said something opposite to his imaginal scene, it would contradict it. I hope it made some sense to you, and you are now clear about it. Do subscribe if you like this video. Happy manifesting!